Nail heads showing through your paint or stain after a while is super annoying, but luckily you can totally fix it without tearing up your walls. So, when you're dealing with nail heads that pop out or just start showing through the finish, first thing is to make sure you're using the right nails for the job. Finish nails are your best bet because they're smaller and less likely to show. Next, before you paint or stain, use a nail set to gently tap the nails a little below the wood surface. Then, fill those tiny holes with wood filler or putty that matches your wood color. It helps hide the nails and smooth things out. After the filler dries, sand it down gently so everything's even and smooth. That way, your paint or stain goes on nice and clean without any bumps. When you're painting or staining, apply thin coats so the finish doesn't crack or peel and reveal the nails underneath later on. Also, avoid using too much water when cleaning painted surfaces, since moisture can cause wood to swell and push nails out. If nail heads still show up after all this, consider switching to screws with small heads for better holding power that won't pop out as easily. And finally, give your walls a regular once-over every year to catch any nail pops early before they become a bigger pain. One of the biggest headaches with nail heads showing through paint or stain is using the wrong type of nails, like big framing nails instead of finish nails, which makes them way more visible. Fix that by picking thinner finish nails designed for trim and cabinetry. Another common problem is not setting the nails deep enough into the wood so they stick out once the finish shrinks or wears off. Just use a nail set tool to sink them below the surface next time. Last thing is skipping the wood filler step or picking a filler that doesn't match your wood tone, making those spots super obvious. Choose a good quality wood filler close to your wood color and sand smooth for a flawless look. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding local contractors a breeze by connecting homeowners with trusted pros who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a solid way to get new gigs and build a strong reputation in their area without all the hassle.